Well, the Lions build the lead, but the Hurricanes just keep coming back at them. Laumape again leading the charge up his side. Now the pick and go. Losi smuggles it away. Hoki Parapara. The young halfback caught just short. Fafita! Oh, he's lost it, I think. Or has he scored? Hurricanes think he's scored. He'll have a look. Ball squirted away, but the Hurricanes are celebrating.
We have an idea about the grounding. Jaco? Do not see. George, we didn't see the grounding. Try yes or no, please.
Checking for try, yes or no.
Well, the Hurricanes are going back to halfway. Fafita, they think, has scored. He went over the ruck, the ball squirted away, but did he force it first?
Well, he seems reasonably confident, doesn't he? He's run back to halfway. That is a try.
That is a try.
Via Fafita has scored between the sticks, and the scores are about to be level.
Roman,
George?
you may award the try.
Yeah, happy with the grounding.
Correct.